So the rotor is actually newer rotor. You see these, the screws are missing. It's not the factory rotor. Somebody put these rotors recently, and the pads have a lot of life left in them.
Okay.
You don't need pads, but what you do need, whoever did the brake job didn't replace these rubber boots. This one is good. This one is seized. Oh yeah, see the boot is cracked. It's not too bad. It didn't break. But this is what you need. Either to be this to be. Just as long as it's smooth. You can see it's a lot better, smoother. I will clean it more. You can see how the surface is rough. Now final step, I clean the holes and then using this high temperature paint finish the job. After inside these holes are clean, it's rebuilt and it's gonna look better and protected. Good enough. Finally, I put the pads inside the caliper bracket and put it back on the car. Thanks for watching.